everyone, this is Berit from Eraser Dust. Today we are going to have an interview with our new principal. Hi, Mr. Principal.
Hi, welcome.
Can we start with a simple question?
Yeah, of course.
Some of our friends may not know your name, so what's your name?
My name is Mehmet Kalkan.
And it's your birthday.
My birthday is 15th of 1985. 15 January.
Where are you from, Mr. Principal?
I am from Elazığ. Elazığ is, as you know, a small city of Anadolu.
Okay. Do you have children?
Yeah, I have a daughter.
What's her name?
Her name is Defne, 4 years old. Yeah.
What do you like to do in your free time?
At this part of my life, I have not very much free time. I am working so hard, but I like to go fishing and playing basketball, playing football in my free time.
Why did you become a teacher?
At first, it's an emotional job, emotional profession. I love children very much, and I love teaching something to people. So I became a teacher.
Which lesson did you teach?
I was teaching science at middle school.
Where did you used to work before our school?
Before our school, I was working as a publisher. I was writing your questions, your subjects to your books. I published some science books before Bahçeşehir College.
What qualities do you need to be a good principal?
At first, I'm not sure if I am a good principal. Maybe you can say me, but I think I have to be honest, and I have to have so much discipline in my job.
Do you have a message for our friends who watch this video?
Yeah, of course. As I said, I love all of you at first. I know something I go very hard on you, hard on students, but we have to obey all the rules for our life to live together in this school. But at the end, I love all of my students. Thank you.
Thank you for your precious time. It was wonderful to meet you. Goodbye then.
Yeah, thank you.